Hey everyone! As a lifelong introvert living in an extrovert dominated world, there are certain social situations and activities that seem fun to extroverted friends but absolutely zap my energy. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 experiences introverts like me find draining that extroverts live for. See how many you relate to. 1. Networking events. While extroverts thrive on working a room full of new people, striking up conversations, and exchanging business cards, introverts find the constant small talk at crowded networking events utterly exhausting. We prefer more intimate gatherings with time for deeper, meaningful conversation versus having the same polite chit chat over and over. Give us a coffee chat over a cocktail party any day. 2. Large, boisterous parties. Extroverts love letting loose at big, lively parties packed with new faces, blasting music, drinking games, and nonstop socializing. But trying to navigate endless conversations with strangers while processing all the noise and stimulation quickly saps introverts. We're running for the door an hour in. Give us a more chill gathering with close friends over a huge bash any day. 3. Impromptu plans. When extroverted friends spontaneously call us up to invite us out for impromptu happy hour drinks or a last-minute concert, they find it fun and exciting. But as introverts, we strongly prefer having advance notice of social plans to mentally prepare ourselves for being on around others. Surprise invites disrupt our cherished routines and leave us scrambling when recharge time is sacred. 4. Open office floor plans. Extroverts thrive in open concept workspaces with constant collaboration and socializing between desks. But introverts work best focusing deeply in quiet privacy and really need that personal space to recharge. Crowded, loud bullpen offices full of interaction are an introvert's nightmare. We crave a remote cabin over a bustling hive. 5. Speaking up in groups. While quick-thinking extroverts have no qualms jumping into group discussions to toss out their opinions and feedback, reflective introverts prefer carefully listening first before speaking up. Voicing our thoughts and ideas in front of a big group feels stressful and risky, so we hold back. Give us a one-on-one chat instead of a panel any day. 6. Constant chatting. Extroverts feel energized and excited by nonstop talking, whether bonding with friends for hours or striking up conversations about anything and everything with strangers in line. Introverts feel socially drained after chatting for longer than we can handle, even with close pals. Too much talk time without pauses freaks us out. We need moments of sacred silence. 7. Always being on socially. At parties, networking events, family gatherings, and bars, extroverts can maintain that lively, witty, social mask for hours on end. Meanwhile, introverts have to psych themselves up to put on our chatty, friendly facade, which quickly leaves us feeling depleted from not acting like our authentic selves. We inevitably hit a wall and crash. 8. Jam-packed concerts. For extroverted live music lovers, sold-out arenas and amphitheaters crammed with thousands of cheering, dancing fans create an amazing rush. But deafening noise plus swarms of people overstimulate introvert senses fast. We hurriedly retreat and dream of a mellow cafe show instead. Too much sensory overload. 9. Saying yes to everything. Extroverts get major FOMO, excitedly saying yes to every social event, parties, groups, and so they never miss the fun. Discerning introverts know we have to be far more selective about events, usually saying no to preserve our limited social stamina for what truly matters. Learn to let go of obligation. 10. Public speaking. Fearless, expressive extroverts eagerly grab the microphone to address large crowds, lead trainings, and give toasts. They crave the spotlight. Meanwhile, introverts avoid public speaking roles at all costs, much preferring to share ideas one-on-one or with a handful of people. Our minds go blank up there. Give us a journal over a jumbotron any day. So there you have it. 10 experiences many extroverts live for that introverts commonly find draining. What other differences have you noticed between your extroverted and introverted friends? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to join our little community. Until next time.